You crazy dude. Oh, he got off the line, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh.
He got off the line? Look! Oh, see, he got off the line!
He did.
Now we can put them in the bucket.
Well, we can't keep the bass in the bucket.
Why?
We have to release him back into his mommy and daddy. Not the bass. Can't have the bass in the bucket.
Only that fish?
Only the bluegill.
Yeah, bluegill.
This is a bass. Yeah. You want to touch him?
No.
Yeah, just touch him.
Well,
You caught him. You did a good job.
yep, and I reeled him in.
You reeled him in and he almost got stuck.
He was fighting.
He was fighting.
Yeah.
Here, you want to grab him by the lip?
No. Put him back in there.
How was he shaking? Show me how he was shaking. Yeah. Oh, this is wonderful. This is June, what, 12th? Yeah, June the 12th, 2014.
Put it in there.
And we're fishing.
We're fishing.